you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that my deluxe box just arrived, so now I have both. Do you want to see what's inside this boy? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my deluxe box just made its way today, and now I have both. I already did show you guys this one. I will show it again at the end if you did miss that video, but I'm going to show you what's inside this one. I'm so excited. Now, this is the deluxe. It contains 8 items. It's supposed to be $186 value, and this one was $75. So I did remove my address, and let's go ahead. I'm so excited to see what is in here. I've been refraining myself from watching because it's a mystery and I want to be surprised. So now that I cut the tape, and this box, let me tell you, is the cutest boxes with the little ghosts, and that's what you see inside. And there's the contents. All right, you guys. So right on the top, I'm seeing this shirt right here. Now, when I did purchase, there was issues. I was trying to get all 3. Then the one size was sold out on the big Supreme. And then I changed my size. I had to change my size. I had to change my size. And then it was sold out. So then I tried to just complete my order with the 2. And then my size was sold out on this one. So I had to change my size, and then finally it went through. So I ended up getting a large. So this will go to one of you guys. So if you are a size large, or if you know somebody that's a size large, this will be in a giveaway at the end of this video. So stay tuned. So here is the shirt. I do not want to open it. It says can't relate with the little fingers. And this is in size large. So this shirt with some other items that will be in here will be in a giveaway. So again, stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and get in here and see. So the second item is a lip ammunition. This is the bullet style lip, and this is in the color Jawbreaker. And let's get this opened and see. There's the packaging. And I believe this is from his summer collection. And in my other box, I got one of these, but a different color. And somebody did confirm this is from the summer collection. So there's that. And the other one that I got was gold, but then when I swatched it, it was like a gloss. So let's see. Ooh, and that's exactly what this is too. It is just like a blue shimmer gloss. So you can use this by itself or a lip topper. And oh my gosh, you guys, that has like a purple blue hues to it. Like it switches. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it changes colors from like a blue to a purple. So let's see what happens. Yeah, it's just like a bluish, purplish. That's really pretty. And that would look probably really pretty as a lip topper over something. But it's like a metallic. That's really pretty. I actually really like that. So here's one item going to me. The other item will be going to one of you guys. Let's see what else we have in here. Here's another lip. So this would be from the summer collection as well. This is the Velour Liquid Lip. And this is in color Bronze Blood. Let's see what this one looks like. Don't want to ruin the box just in case this goes to one of you guys. And yes, so I'm not going to open that. That is a bronzy goldish color, and that's just not my comfort zone. I don't really like the goldish. I'm more of a silver gal. So this will go to one of you guys. So if you like this color and the shirt, then stay tuned. So this I will set right over here with the shirt. That'll start my pile for one of you guys. Now, the next thing says the glouse. It's glossy, and it's called Dirty Royalty. And it looks purple. Let's see what this is. 2 finishes, Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine. Juicy, delicious. Iconic on its own or over any lipstick. This product is vegan and cruelty free. So let's see here. And it is definitely looks like a lavender. Very pretty packaging. I love this. I have what in his summer boxes, I got a lip liner and it had something kind of like this at the end of the lip liner, but it has like this little pink little plastic thing. Then there's that, and then that's the color. So if this is a gloss, it's right there. Let's see. It smells good. So there is like a slight purple, like a lavender tint to it, but it's a really nice gloss. I like that. All right, so there's a second item here that's going in my pile. Next is a liquid frost, and I'm not into liquid highlighters. I'm barely into powdered highlighters. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the giveaway for one of you guys. So there's the liquid frost, and this is in Heat Wave. And let me see if I can at least show you the color, but I won't open it. And so let's see here, get this little guy out of here. Okay, so that is definitely like a bronzy color. That almost reminds me of the lip. So there's that. So that will go to one of you guys. Next we have is Skin Frost, and this is a highlighting powder. Ooh, and this is the one that's like a limited edition that was supposed to be for this box. So it says Mystery Frost is the color, and I believe he said these will not be in production anymore. So I am so excited. Ooh, it's in the pink packaging, and it says Mystery Frost. And oh wow, that's different. Look at the little speckles. There's like the coppery, the goldish, then there's like little black specks in there as well. There is a mirror, but that is crazy. What in the world? And when you touch it, it just goes like a shine. I don't want to put too much, but it's very subtle. I like that. It's like a coppery. You can't really see it on your end. I can see it more on my end, but that is really pretty. But that's so different now that I've kind of like put my finger around and smushed the colors together. But the black didn't like come out or anything. It just kind of blended seamlessly to like a really pretty color. So I'm so excited to have that item. Next, let's see here. Now this looks very familiar packaging. So if this is the same thing that I got in the other one, then this will definitely go to one of you guys as well. Let me see if I can carefully remove this. So then if it is for you guys, I can package it right back up. Kind of a little tear. And yes, this is the mini breaker palette, you guys. This is the mini eyeshadow palette. If you do want to see this opened and swatched, then hold on once I'm done. I have one more item in here, and then I'll reopen the other box and show you guys, and I'll swatch this again from mine that I already have touched. This one will go to one of you guys in the giveaway. All right, so that means there's one item left, and it's this guy right here. This is the mirror that everybody is raving about. So I'm so glad to get my hands on it and see what color mirror we have. Let's see. Ta-ta-ta-ta! We got the orange one. All right. Ooh, ooh, hello. That is a big mirror. And at least it feels nice the way that it's designed with the handle. And it's not too heavy. Some mirrors you're like, ugh. No, that's really cool. I like that lip gloss. When I have like a purple look, that'll look so pretty with it. I don't really go with what I've got going on right now, but. So that is everything that came in this deluxe box. So $75 again. It's supposed to be valued at $186. We got this mirror, which that's amazing. We got the full-size mirror. We have this limited edition highlighter. I'm gonna go over the ones that I'm keeping first, and then I'll re-go over the ones for the giveaway. This highlighter. We have the mini, or the liquid lip jawbreaker. This is the bullet jawbreaker. And then we have this gloss. That is so pretty, and it smells so good. So those are the items that I'll be keeping, and the ones that one of you guys can win would be the mini jawbreaker, the liquid frost, the bronze blood liquid lip, and the size large can't relate t-shirt. So if you guys want to win that, stay tuned to after I open up this one again. I will let you know all of the rules, and yeah. So if you do want to see what was inside of this one and see the palette swatch, then I'll get into this one right now. So again, since this has already been opened, this is how it came. And in this one, we got this Family Jewels. I absolutely love this color. Where did my thing go? Here we go. Let me put this on for you guys, because when I put this on, when I first did it, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this color. I'm so glad that this was in my box. So this is Family Jewels, and swatched is right there and on. I love this color. Perfect for fall or any day. This is so beautiful. Like, I used to be afraid of darker colors. It intimidated me, but I'm actually starting to like them more and more, and I love this color. So then the next thing that we got was this liquid, or why do I keep saying liquid? This bullet lip. This is the lip ammunition, and this one is in the color glazed. And it is like a gold, but it looks like a gloss when you put it on, just like a little shimmer with a little gold hue to it, which is right there. So you can use this on its own, or you can use it over something like a lip topper. And I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it gave it a beautiful metallic little shine. Like, it just boosted it a little bit. I like that. And at first I saw the gold and I was like, let me just swatch it. And I'm so glad I did, because I love this color. It's so pretty. And especially over, like, as a lip topper, that's just really pretty. Okay, so then the next item, this one was the exclusive item for this premium size box. This is Soul Sucker. And I don't know if everybody got the same exact color, but on that video, I've had a lot of people saying that theirs was completely fine. I had issues in that video. I tried to use this several different ways. I had comments telling me, oh no, you have to dry it down. You can't pat your lips, you can't do this. Well, a lot of my video I cut out because I was literally trying to use this in so many different ways, and it was confusing because every time I would put it on, I would even let it dry, try to put another layer on, let it dry. I did not touch my lips together or anything. And then as soon as I would touch my lips together, it just pulled apart and it came off. But then I did recently now have a few tell me that theirs did the same exact thing. So I don't know if there was just like a bad batch or I'm missing something. I'm not quite sure, but this is like a blackish, it's like a dark blackish bronzish color. And I did try it on and it just was very light and patchy and just didn't really do a whole lot for me. So if you want to see me trying to try it on, then you can watch that video, but it didn't do too much for me. And then here is the mini breaker palette. And apparently, because I did see one, I'm not even sure who it was. I was looking on Facebook and this popped up with a live. It wasn't live at the time, but it was a live of somebody that unboxed the big Supreme bad boy. So I watched that one and they got one of these in there too. So it seems like this mini breaker palette got put in every box. So there are the colors, which if you get multiple boxes, that kind of sucks, because then you have multiple of the same ones. But I'm just so glad that he put a palette in his boxes. I just feel like maybe it shouldn't have been the same palette in every single box, but what do I know? For the people who just got one, then that's perfect. But for the ones that got multiple, then it's a little different. So, okay, so let me go ahead and swatch this for you. So there's the complete palette swatched. And that's for this. So that is everything that came inside of the premium. The premium contains 4 items valued at $82, and it was only $40. So for $40, we got the Jawbreaker palette. We got this not Soul Sucker. I got Soul Sucker on the brain. We got Family Jewels, which I love this color. We got the Soul Sucker, which I'm a little confused with, but hey, you know. Then we got this one right here, which I really like. It gives it a perfect metallic little shine, and it looks good on its own as well. So yeah, so that is everything that we got between these 2 boxes. I really wish I was able to get the Supreme, but again, his website was crashing. PayPal kept spinning. Like, it just was a huge mess. It wasn't meant to be this time. So rumor has it that he will be having one more launch before the end of the year. So I'm hoping maybe like another holiday one, like a Christmas one or something like that. I don't know, so we'll have to stay tuned and wait to see that. If so, I will try to get all of them, but it's not up to me. Everybody tries at the same time, and if things crash and it's not meant to be, then it's not meant to be. So now that is everything that I've done for both of these. If you are interested in the giveaway part of it, then here are the rules. You must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do the giveaways that I do, is to give back to you and show my appreciation to those that are actively and positively supporting me on my channel. So you must be subscribed to my channel. You must like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and you must leave one comment down below. In that comment, you must use the words "enter me." You must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian, somebody over the age of 18 to enter in for you. And you must have a United States address to ship these to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping them to a United States address. And I'm gonna go ahead and run this for 3 weeks. At the end of the 3 weeks, I will have a random comment picker choose a comment that has the word "enter me." As long as you're subscribed, you have the words "enter me," then I will comment back to that comment saying, "Congratulations, you are the winner. You have 48 hours to comment back to me." If for some reason you do not get the notification or you do not comment back within the 48 hours, I will have the random comment picker choose a new winner. That new winner, I will comment to them. Same rules apply. You will have 48 hours, so on and so forth, until I get a confirmed win. In my description box, I will say, "Congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm." Once they have confirmed, I will put "confirmed." So if it doesn't say "confirmed," then hold tight. You still might be the winner. I do have other giveaways going on all the time. I still think there is one going on right now, and I have a really big one planned coming up as well. So stay tuned for that. That one's gonna have 4 winners, 4 completely different curated themed boxes. I'm so excited for that one, you guys. So stay tuned to that. That's coming as soon as I can get to my next milestone. I'm gonna have that, but I've already been buying everything, getting everything together, so I can't wait for that one. 4 winners in that one, you guys. I'm so excited. That's gonna be my biggest one yet. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you do want to enter in, subscribe, comment, like, be over the age of 18, have a United States residence, and these 4 items could be yours. So again, that is everything that I have. You guys, if you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. You can stick around and see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.